It's here for Yamamuni Akwaba about Melodies Podcast YouTube channel. So yes, sir. And there, your first time we have subscribing. Now click the notification bell on the so. Am I now? Metro send your best subscribing. Now click the notification bell on the so. Will screen so this year. Now, Mr. Metro and I na sa pepe my. Oh yeah, na sa. Emma news the bar. Obe first. Say one so. Obe hu de ekoso wo Ghana. Okay, na da screen so this year. Na Mr. This is sa pepe Emma. Na yankwa yensem so I for. Andra M say may the audio be a bremo a battle between Owusu Bempah and Avram Ben Moshe. Yes, technically, and then Mema what here say yes, the battle was meant between Owusu Bempah Nkasa and Avram Ben Moshe, but Owusu Bempah by yes, or show up, but only the junior pastors nearby. And now, one of the junior pastors are also have been trust mu ye pan say one no battle Avram Ben Moshe. Not just what they need to me share the junior pastor no ni mu. Not just in a way indirectly it was still a battle between Owusu Bempah and Avram Ben Moshe. Na battle no so Avram Ben Moshe all kana one Woma the point na wo fame with the mass statement say no crown no ban no wonim say Owusu Bempah kasa na one no be battle but still when you no Owusu Bempah wo ho Owusu Bempah so be J Mike ekasa nti in a way it was still a battle between Owusu Bempah and Avram Ben Moshe. Now it's here for battle no and then I remember what you said the first day goes smoothly. I think a lot of people enjoyed themselves or more believing in religion or more enjoy or more believing in Avram Ben Moshe common sense and so they also enjoyed themselves. Now after that no a Facebook blogger your friend no Biscout Nana Prempe, yes, very popular. Oba Bonting, ebe live, Facebook, video. Ghana 4B Efreya, one more trail, one more drink, one same ebi mo kasa on religion. The entire Ghana, sebi yenko yenim, ebi mo de share religion, ebi mo so kasa da bi Ghana yenko yenim no, enya religion. Into no, this argument and this debate, social media debate no, Emma, Biscout Nana Prempe, eba, bisa Ghana for. Say a day in a Ghana for Sebi young Koso Ghana and I young Kuyenim na Ghana for our Wabroche Chitu Bebre Etre Womadrin Ewa Biscout Nana Prempe the video nim but a video no video no I think close to 3 hours Biscout Nana Prempe the video no close to 3 hours. But I'm to me funny bro, but me the just I think 15 minutes be and a bebremo. Na munti en sema Ghana for more approach e kasa after Avram Ben Moshe and Owusu Bempah ni interview no. Inti yan konkofa the audio of that particular video.
And say wasum e de how abrayen as a before. Ye man na entumpon no. E wasum ti anama ye entumpon ana say e kwan ye fa so som ene ya adwene na se ye de dwene no. Eno ana emwa ma yentimi ntumpon ya kan se bebre media still stand and say wasum bia obia asum bia e wono ani gidie bi no de ta echi nitimi ga se Kristo sum nitimi ga se kremosum ye enye nitimi ga se ye abosomsom ana traditional religion enye name obi ye Kristo ni na wanya eno nche se wosom no enye obi ye nkremoni obi ye kramoni na wanya eno nche nipa no wanye obi asom bosom na se nipa no wanya nche se wosom no enye nipa no na enye na emume kwan ye befa so ebetumpon eno na wose ye nyina yetimi edwene ho ye mpanimfu asebesebi omo oma no kro no omo bo apo ene saa no ma na ekoso ekwan be na ebetimi afa so a ebetimi akon age ye mai konkron Ghana na siwo menua toasoma me wosom ya de bia aba be sen as a bibifuo ana se ekwan ya ye fa so som no any problem menua toaso.
Yeah, Nana, good evening once again.
Good evening.
Me pese start free a train na me deba enim.
Okay.
Because
I was me me upgrade your friends me Facebook app no. I think the problem no if me because problem no if me. Kobe sa kwana bre bi o video no nso e wa ha. Kobe free so na sa bre bi I think the problem no app no me app no na. Kofi Yesu mefre o. Kofi Yesu mefre. Me
Hey, Nana. Finally, good afternoon.
yeah, good afternoon.
Now, you have a call, bro.
Nyamia de me ho ye pa.
Pato me chat, me obia.
Kobe, where you know on network your friends say o video no so o power restart your phone na sabra. Me ya yedi nkomo bebre an what create nsem amanfo nso your friends say Africa. Na kakra me na be e after do bia kai o 5 minutes.
Mate, me that's me come used to like just 3 minutes. Yeah. Nana, me nimpo, I don't even know where to start from, but your problem in Africa is your religion.
Why?
Yeah, problem is religion. Now say I'm share TV. Now share DSTV. Share movie via sometime where you can check time and a date on your movie no. Now we check here and once or much 1570 something. Now share are we like a wickedness or move play or some movie anymore. Now one say wickedness no and then start here. 1547 na ye di awi ho na me say no ene awi na start nana me ameti aro me nji hwedi even wo a ogina ho no me nji odi unless I see you physical if focus nana ni na one say obi because enye religion a problem of course religion is our problem enye
like
religion
nana
o ye do abrochi I'm
not here because to worship and because of say religion be epeme and nothing I'm here because our leaders and no man was say your leaders somebody to akwan mu ema menya adwuma as a student maybe school I was say menya adwuma ye aho kire wo me enti mabaha just to get something to do.
okay,
and that's the reason why enti me wa and you because of was soon be premier kumo and it
Nana, a man for started to abroad. They started going to abroad because Enyama and Africa for a long time. Enyama knew Africa for a long time, and we realized say the ACBA every sacre mosu now these religion things. Any religion ka Enyama bi oho obi ya sebe me meti ano nana me did say me fa ade belong to you. Me fa yenkumi a sebe the obe ye bi no ebe stress ani pan nyansa. But this is the Bible who tell us say obi ye boni a fa che no. Na nipa ne ye boni na the channel not or continue the channel. Do you think say upcoming generation or muba na would they learn from that? If I say we ye boni bi na o repeat girl bi na ye cool na ye cool. My brother, I will learn from it. I will advise my kids not to do that. But Bible is telling me say obidi boni a mumfan channel, obidi boni mumfan channel. This is what we are talking about. When Nema
but the same people no more religion and buy no. Say obi kobo krono a yemfa nche no ye de ne famra kwan so. So don't you think say yen na ye no ya divert ya twe ye ho afiri bibi ho because nipa na so the Bible ne buy no de aba be sew no. Say obi bokro no wa ha. Obi repu obi a yemfa nche no ye de send nipa ne famra kwan so. But in our culture no for boniche e wo yen culture nim because say efie no so bi ya ade wo say de ne famra kwan so a opanyin bi tutu ntoma a wo ye gusua pani edi agusua nim e ba be pa achew so ye nana yi de wa de wo ye wa nye ni ejiwe de empanifo manimu a akwada adwon so bu na so a ye ncha
omabo abe kwasi abe
akwada adwon so bu na so a ye ncha ye pepa ejiwe de mo kwanche And they believe in traditional religion. They believe in our culture. Not omaba, no maba the patch. It is all because young family Nyamia. Nyamena na wasa what I say. We have different types of God. Ye Nyamen will trade them for Yankupon, but it's not the Bible God. But the Bible God now is someone they are by their Bible brilliant. They believe in rule of law. They believe in rule of law.
Nana, you know, ever since I was born, me di boni bia me papa na mama omfa me. So ema me nyie no, me nim say ade we me ye a ye be bu me na ye be kum. Africa, omo amodi Bible brain, omo nim say be o say ye Jimmy. Nana, I remember those days. Say, obi wife papa, you dare not think twice obi wife be there go. But ever since they introduced the Bible, obi kwa timi jinani ma meaning say open. Those days, obi dan ye biekwa siwa, you cannot even go inside. Ever since they introduced Bible, obi timi ko obi dey because at the end of ye chin kwa oh ye panche no or ya bofra onim de oye. Nana recently, say oti Ghana na meaning so Ghana na ye ti kidnappers bi, say o ma kidnap takrade boys bi mu. O ma kidnap takrade 3 girls bi mu. Do you think say Ankasa Ankrofona ye chi omo na ye komwa if I'm an upcoming kidnapper and I'm a current kidnapper, I will not learn from this. Now,
okay, let me go this way. Of course, Saudi Arabia, they have a law. I have martial law or whatever, Caesarea law, okay, it's part of our culture. And our doctrine, our religion. Entino na obi kobo krono e wo Saudi Arabia yekuno ye twanesa obi boy dwamaya yekuno it which means na eboa wo mo entina na say be say wo mo practice that thing enti emfa religion ho but the same Islamic religion came to Africa.
Okay, recently I was reading some part in the Bible. Luke 6:29. Now Jesus Christ catch obi so obi bo waso a fa o left man and obi fa wa de kwapo a men how fa de oji o suita you t-shirt man and okogina Pharisees penifoni and Pharisees for ebisan say na chetrebe na odi man koramo and o say teaching no say be onye no hiding place na one can send boni bia. Now, if he want to know what he's teaching people, on bisa nation for no. And na Bible no say obi pie Jesus Christ na sum efiche. But this is the same Jesus Christ who said obi bo waso a fa o left no emano. But ni pan pie Jesus Christ aso no. Jesus Christ didn't give the second teeth emano. Na all complain say na me ye dem the American enye ye na obo masum. You should have asked. This anka oka say oka tell nation for say obi bo waso. Or bo asuma also born bia the Pharisees or all those people they will not know say obi bo asuma betia bondi nana Bible na na higher. If there's no religion ever since I stopped being religion I make decision without even thinking twice. Religion na say religion la na me ti hana the book bremi nipa na say be all the book ni brem you know they are the same people who came with who came and enslaved our grandmother, our father, kill us, destroy everything. These are the same people who came to Africa and gave us a book. Now, baby, I mean, banana be repeal, you know, not every 30 years later, not 20 years later, me banana me the book, browse, maybe, and I will accept it. So the problem is not about our leaders. First of all, even our leaders was brought up through the same Bible. Our leaders came and read the Bible. The Bible from Akoram. The Bible even Anka Bible can say Obiye Bonia Yenkunanka. Do you think our leaders will not tell us Obiye Bonia Yenkunu? The Bible never said say Obiye Bonia Yenkunu. But Bible can say Obiye Bonia say be among fantiano. So yen fantiano and no na yedi titi yen penny for my name better than ministers, better than what do you call it? President, all kind of things. So yedi sa adeni trail. Yedi sa adeni trail. Now what do you expect? Of course you follow. Now as we are followed these days. What are we doing? We are following our leaders because what they're supposed to do, they are not doing it. I agree, say, the money ye juma sebe maybe a citizen will respect themselves. A man ye fine juma because baby a man can say fear no fake. But a money fear every book no. A man every what do you call it Bible. Na Bible na man for the true man. And Bible no say obi ade am fan channel. But when you go to court na obi ade the channel. You do share prison. So those that introduce the Bible to us na omu use and na omu fine. Uko court now they are swear you swear on the Bible. But udi bonia bisa say udi bonia ye di chewana. Ye do same. So I am now a man a book that dear way, person I can send a dear way. And one edit titi yen even yen and I'm cry for home betumbi. And mana me was more gave you a few. Ni mami any papa we na che. On name ni papa. On name ni papa. Or can say me any papa. I do everything for that child. Or 6 years now. Akora when you know maybe 9-10 years and now 11 years she will still see me as a father. Unless we na obi beka try Quran say God service your papa. Na o papa nkasa no or your way. Nana, you start here bam etiti. Like when we start telling our children to forget about this book. We act like a citizen. Book way a man nipa sadi. Nana, mami feeling understand for the force. Now Muslim can do. I mean that's a pa.
Okay, that's me. Mami, watch the argument. But me, I still insist say religion is not our problem, but our attitude, the way we think, is the greatest problem as Africans. You know. Kobe, me from me baby now. Network ne hard in to aso.
And I'm
yeah, kasa. I can see you from.
We na me start free trade ya be nim.
Okay,
me say problem in here yen koso no. Adenti na yentimi develop. Why? That's we have to answer that question. Then I'll link it to the religion in my ending. Nana enye your problem in as Africans, as Ghanaians, excuse my language,
why is that
is our problem, and I will explain it. I don't know, say a culture, say a religion, no, by whichever means, you know, the power of thinking.
Oh. Kobe, Agwazi Yesu, just all basso me frawa one peke, Kobe was article, and a dear mama program no crano. Me name network no a hard pay. Kobe me say fro. Obiane na adwenkyere wona me pa akere no. Agwazi Yesu video no enso wa ha. Kobe me say fro. Things and the Kobe network no ha me pa. Na me nkofa Kwame ato me fro. Na yi nyina ye kire ya adwene. Ekwan a ye be fa so a. Yeah, network back away.
What do you mean?
What do you have na shima? Back.
What do you mean?
We go.
What do you mean?
Me talk about
me fight earphones when she mom. But me talk come up.
Yeah, but noise way.
To be from back na.
Okay, me sound so bad.
All right.
But the mujina well men for year so the year for na shima na eye didi gu amanfo asomo a say bia the year for na etie me asem na efre wa na watu afi so na be ya be kasa no ma ai
na ba so me ton kapa me chawa chifu nyina na ajamis mu wo madwen an bese ne kira krawo program ya we so na ba chawa minka
meton ka
wow you na de ba men kira madwen ka kram for program ya we ho Africa as Ghana no enoma enna na se num meet ma bo so a ema eha Ghana ankasa baako aye ye pennyfo ye hemfo no me phone na last speaker and I'm used to handfree so maybe na aboa kakra
Ebanesa na say ye di gu yasum ona me pa che no mamesa friend ba ebanesa na ye tweka gu yasum. Okay, Samuel me say fro. Oh, Samuel e free so.
and about what minka
Still now
they make can say like Ghana say normal 9 and a ha crew no I have mine as on my Ghana nyina normal be night no na ha religion e kwa de came fan 20 and religion womb but enim kesisa yen fa first religion second eh hemfo a muti crew no so mudi amamemu ne like Ghana ye mine mo no mo mudi ohene wo mo no third ye him ye amani mu mpanimfo no fourth your mind or mind for na tell mine mo no the American religion and say then na enu ba kuka say ye so ekusia so them from Monday to Sunday nana emwayen emfaso bia ni we beba we awe so what you say me fa no to nche ye mpanimfo ye hemfo no nana obitumi ko twa asase woje asase kese no ya to asase nana mo de waje asase na fa otu asase na onhwe so obeyi kwan onhwe so odi nso be ko onhwe so obeyi bibia no wase otwa asase de amata akwa no waje sika no wadi no aba be place aban ne ma me kwan to on fama nipa ma me fa so nana sika na woje no wa no de yeden what ya say funu sika na mo ji free asase no to to sika nyina mo yeden I think aba ne gin no no asase nyina free hemfo no hemfo ya say gin asase nyina free mo na aba ne transfer asase no no yi kwa to yi odi kare akọ no di so ko what you say? And I mean, for any tongue, may but your mind company for no so. And you might be any what come to my say, you man, I move my bruni money. I will tell you, penny for no with your man so. Scabio may be uncle Jiba, no more be discount. What you to me, money. What you say? She cry to my Ghana. Now, Coco Dracon, the minister of Ghana and China, a free pie, don't go, Nana, I will ask him. On my team with Ghana, or the dear or Jabola da Cotunsum, she will die a team away a crowd, don't she? Or Johnson or that one in all their tomb. If you have done as they finish so soon, you ever will say, I have buying also, Baby. What one also like to 2 mono. And you want to come, she come as in about Nusum, better now. Bonibia or town episode transform no nya fresh air. Ghana in so akakwa da okara ya kakusi de asinye air ni gata. Na na ye pedi for mo man enkuna ni wo de gene de enka bibia region no enye na de e ha bla o man no region ye betu ye na abofo so ni bi beka ho. Ye region na e ha o man no ye ni pam timamufo na ye timu no ye na ye ha ye ho. Ye ha ye ho. Me da nana.
Okay. And next time, why your phone is because feedback in the doors. Okay, my man go for